Good morning, everyone. I am Prasanna Dange, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering, Aurangabad. So this is our first demo lecture on online learning platform. Okay. So in this lecture, I will discuss some fundamental concept of survey in civil engineering. In this class, we will study about definition of survey, objectives, uses, classification, and principle of survey in civil engineering. So what survey is basically? Survey is the art of determining relative positions of different objects on the earth's surface. Okay, suppose these are my various points on the earth's surface. Okay, I want to find the elevation of each points, distance between two points, the angle of point. For the preparation of map is known as survey. So it is a art of determining relative positions of various points or stations on the earth's surface for the measurement of horizontal and vertical distance first. Second is what? Measurement of angle, and taking the details of these points for the preparation of map is known as survey. Next, there are different objectives of survey in civil engineering. First is objective is it is used to locate a point on the ground. Second is what? To determine different quantities like area and volume. Third is what? It is used to mark a proposed structure on the ground. These are some different objectives of survey in civil engineering. Next is what? The survey may be used for following purposes. First is to prepare a topographical map. Next is to prepare a cadastral map, and to prepare a engineering map. So first thing is that what is topographical map? The survey done with the help of topo sheets is known as topographical map. This topographical map shows the details of hills, valley, rivers, forests, villages, towns on the earth's surface is known as topographical map. Second thing is that what is cadastral map? It shows the boundaries of fields, plots, houses, and other properties on the earth's surface is known as cadastral map. What is engineering map? It shows the position of different engineering works such as building, road, railway, dams, canals on the earth's surface is known as engineering map. Next, there are two main types of survey. First is plane survey and second is geodetic survey. What is plane survey? If this is my plane surface, okay, on this plane surface two points are located. First condition is that if these 2 points are visible. Second condition is that the curvature of earth is not considered. Why it is not considered? Because this is our plane surface. Okay, then this type of survey is known as plane survey. Second is what is geodetic survey? If this is my curved surface, okay, on this curved surface 2 points are located, okay, and these 2 points is far away, so that curvature of earth is considered. So this type of survey is known as plane survey. Okay, second most important point is that if our area of a survey is less than 250 kilometers square, if our area is less than 250 kilometers square, then that type of survey is known as plane survey. And if our area is greater than 250 kilometers square, then that type of survey is known as geodetic survey. This is how a difference between plane survey and geodetic survey. Next, depending upon the various conditions, survey is classified. First condition is depending upon purpose. Second condition is depending upon instrument use. So first case is what? Depending upon purpose. Okay, survey is classified as first is topographical survey, cadastral survey, engineering survey, mine survey, hydrographic survey, and geological survey. This survey is more important as per as civil engineering point of view. So what is topographical survey? As I said earlier, the survey done with the help of topo sheets is known as topographical survey. So topographical map shows the details of hills, forest, canals on the earth surface that I discussed earlier. Okay. What is cadastral survey? The surveys of boundaries of field work, houses is known as cadastral survey. Okay. Anything related with property line is known as cadastral survey. What is meant by engineering survey? The survey of engineering works such as road, railways is known as engineering survey. Next is what is hydrographical survey? The water related construction such as dams, river, canals is known as hydrographical survey. Next is what is astronomical survey? The survey of moon, star is known as astronomical survey. What is geological survey? The survey of different types of rocks such as metamorphic rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rock. The collection of all that rock is known as, the data related to that all types of rock is known as geological survey. Next, depending upon the instrument, survey is classified as chain survey, compass survey, leveling, plane table survey, theodolite survey, tachometric survey, photogrammetric survey, and EDM survey. What is chain survey? So this is my plane surface. Okay, the distance between 2 points is measured with the help of chain is known as chain survey. The most important part is that in chain survey only horizontal distance is measured. Okay. What is compass survey? If 2 points are located and I want to find the angle of these 2 points with respect to fixed point is known as compass survey. Okay. Next is what is leveling? The vertical distance between 2 points is measured with the help of leveling staff is known as leveling. Okay. What is plane table survey? The entire area is measured with the help of different points is known as plane table survey. Okay. What is theodolite survey? It is the most important part of survey in civil engineering. With the help of theodolite, it is an instrument. This instrument is used to determine the horizontal and vertical angle of an area. Okay. So what is tachometric survey? It is a part of theodolite. Okay. With the help of tachometer, it is an instrument. With the help of that instrument, we will find the horizontal distance and vertical distance. Okay. What is photogrammetry? A survey is done with the help of photographs is known as photogrammetric survey. Then next, what is EDM survey? If 2 points are located with a large distance, then EDM instrument is used to determine a distance between 2 points. Okay. The long form of EDM is electronic distance measurement, right? Then next, survey is basically depends upon 2 principles. First is work from whole to part. Second is location of a point by measurement from 2 points of a reference. So what is meant by work from whole to part? So in this condition, the entire area is divided into different parts. Okay. Due to that, error is minimized. Okay. This is my first principle. What is second principle? The location of point with respect to fixed point. Suppose these 2 points are located on the ground and I want to find the location of this point with respect to these 2 points. This is my second principle of survey. Okay. So this is a fundamental concept of survey in civil engineering. Thank you so much.